Okay,
What?
so last time we did that one. Pull that one over here.
Okay. But don't play Aiden's. Is this yours or Aiden's?
It's mine. Oh, it's gonna be your guys'. Okay, so last time we did this one, and the box is over. The box over there. So this is the Minecraft one.
Oh yeah, sure. I put the fire right there.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put this one off to the side because today we got. Leave that one there. Because today we got the city one. There's 248 pieces in this one. That's a lot of Legos, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Like
so
mine.
we're gonna open this up and we're gonna see what's inside here.
Uh-huh.
Will you help me?
So. No.
You show everybody what's inside the box?
Yeah, so everybody inside the box. First we have to do that one, those orange things.
Did we get 2 booklets? Looks like it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's 1 and 2.
Yes. That's one too.
Huh.
Yeah.
Wonder what the difference is.
First we have to do the orange parts. First we have to do those. I mean, first we have to do the wheels.
Well, this one's got the guys on there and this one doesn't. Okay, well, we'll start with book 1, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so these are all numbered. See, got 1. That one's 1,
We
2,
got,
and 3.
we got 1, 2, 3.
Okay,
So we got 3.
so
We have
we're
to
gonna.
give him.
Alright, well, we're gonna start with 1. We'll put these off to the side.
Okay, let's do that one.
Alright, you gonna help me open it?
Yeah, sure. No.
No?
Can't know
Okay.
how. Only my dad does know how.
Well, I think we tear it like this. Look
Yeah.
at that. See? That was easy.
And then we dump it out.
Yep. Alright, so now we gotta do what's in the book here. Look, we need this piece. Do you see a piece like that?
I found it.
We'll do this piece. And we need these 2 pieces.
Yes.
Where are they gonna go?
Oh, right on the sides.
Okay. Put those on there.
And then we have that. And then you have to put those green things on. And then you have to do that.
Yep,
We need-
eventually.
No. Still. These Legos are so hard.
And then those go.
Right. And they
Oh,
go.
look right here. We're on
Yeah.
number 3.
Yeah, on number 3. Go right there. And then they go like that.
Yep.
And then first we have to do that.
Yep, those.
Do that. Yes, and then we have, oh no, we need another one of those, like fat ones.
With these?
Yeah. I found the fishy though.
Yeah, that's cool. Alright, what about these? Where do they go?
Right there. Okay, I think they go right there. Let's see. Yes, they go right there. And then that arrow says, go right there. Yes. Goes right there. There.
Okay, where do these 2 go?
They go right. I'll see. That arrow says,
Look at their piece compared to that one.
oh yeah, they have to be like. We need some of those, like those pieces.
Do these go in here like this?
Yes, they do. Like there. Now we need the.
Now we need these flat ones.
Yes, we do.
Where do they go?
Right there.
Okay, we'll go to the next page.
Can you put these on so hard?
Yep, just go like this.
Funny banana, nom 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 nom. Funny banana, nom nom nom.
Okay, so now we got these.
You
Where
want
those
it on
go?
his head.
These go like this. I'll
Yeah.
speed this up a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Alright,
That's fine.
so next is what? These?
Um.
I think this is the loader for the trash. Is this what they put the trash in there?
Uh-huh.
I suppose all those bananas and stuff are gonna go in there?
Uh-huh.
That looks like a good banana yet. Would you eat that banana?
Yeah.
I would too.
Mm.
Yep, see, look. So the banana goes in there,
Uh-huh.
and the fish,
Yes.
the banana,
Yes, they do.
and
Most we need his legs.
this looks like a bottle? It's
Yes.
probably a pop bottle.
Yeah.
What the heck they got on there? Nothing. Okay, and then these go in there, I guess. Must be random pieces of trash.
Aiden's not gonna see this.
Okay. Next page.
First we have to put the guy.
Put this guy's pants on.
Yeah.
Can't take out the trash with your pants off.
Yeah.
Alright, and then we'll put this guy's hat on. And we'll put a shovel in his hand. And your guy can have a broom. Okay? Alright, we'll put that off to the side. That's Bill. Alright, now we gotta open up package number 2.
Yes, we did. We're gonna open put that.
Well, that's 3. See, we got 1, and then now we're on number 2.
Here's the
Put this another small packet in.
That's a lot.
Okay.
I do not know how to put on. I do not know how. Can you do this? Okay, this is
Alright,
the
here
grass.
we go. Look.
Found the glass. Look at
Oh,
these
we don't
big.
need the glass yet. Look at the picture. Look, we gotta start with this. This one, see?
And then-
1. And then look, where are those? We
and
gotta
then-
put these on like this.
Yeah. And then we have to put the
And
zoom.
then there's something there. It's a brown piece.
Yes, it is.
There's a brown. Yep, it's in here.
And then we have the. And then we have
Brown
the.
piece. Right there.
Yes.
Like
And
that.
then what's the wheels?
I don't know. Apparently they're in this bag. We're not there yet.
No. It's
Okay, 2 more of the little black things. Can you put those on?
so. Wow.
Put this one on that side. And then another brown piece.
And then another one.
And
With one on. Fun too.
I gotta put this on. See, we're falling along. Look.
I know.
So we put this on there like that.
And then we need those.
And is that gray? Oh, that doesn't go there.
Oh.
See, look at our directions.
Yeah.
And then it has a long one like this.
Yeah. And then
See
we.
the black one.
Yes. Maybe this is the truck.
And then a blue or brown one.
Yes, and then.
What's next? Turn page.
Yes. Two page and then
Oh,
those.
look, it tells us we need 2 more of those.
Uh-huh. Fun one.
Okay, so we'll put those there.
Yeah.
And then another brown one.
Uh-huh. And then you need some of those.
And
Fun one.
this.
I've already found them. Now it's 2.
Alright, next page.
Yes.
So now we need another long,
2
2 long
pieces.
pieces. It says 2 of
Fun
them.
one.
Okay, and it goes across.
Right there.
No. See, look.
On right there.
Yep.
Oh. And yeah, it's gonna break.
You think?
Uh-huh. I'll do this one. Okay.
Okay. Just put it on there. Just gotta get it lined up. Okay, and then what are those? Clear ones.
Yes.
These are like the blinkers.
The wrinkles? Oh yeah, I remember.
The lights.
Yeah. And then we have to put these on. Maybe these are those are for truck.
Aiden.
Aiden will not.
We'll find out.
Yeah.
Who's Aiden?
That's your son.
Alright. Is he gonna be mad because we're building this? Probably.
Yeah.
Probably.
Because I'm gonna price them probably.
Yeah, you think? We've been waiting all week, haven't you?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we got brown ones. These go right here. I'm gonna build this whole thing, aren't I?
Yeah. Can I help
Probably.
you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jump in.
What the
We gotta follow the directions though.
Oh. Oh.
Alright, so now we need 2 white ones like that.
Well, one more.
And where do those go?
Just one.
If the red thing's back here, look, if the red thing's back here and these white ones are up here, where do you think they go?
They go there.
Right there?
Yeah, they go on there.
Okay, look.
Then we need those
Yep.
on them.
And they go right there.
Right.
Look at the picture.
Right. Yeah.
Here, they go right next to it. Right next to the white ones.
I know. Right. There.
They're wheel wells. You think the wheel goes that way?
I can't do it.
They go like this, bud. Look.
Oh, that's right.
Put the other one on. Okay, now we need the black ones.
Yes, we do.
I'm gonna put this one on there. You put the one on this side. Okay, and then next page.
Yes, we. Next, we
So
have
we need
to.
one of those and
Yes.
2 of those. So we need one of these and
One.
2 of these.
Oh yeah.
So there you go. So where do they go? So the black one goes. Actually, these go right here. Look. One goes on this side. One goes on that side. And then
Yeah.
this one goes behind it. See?
Yeah, but behind it. I can't. I'm never good at it.
Yeah, you are. Practice. Okay, and then we got this funky looking piece.
Yeah.
And that goes on the back there with the side going out.
So we need like there. Like there.
Oh, look. See the, just like the picture.
Oh, like there. So now I need the net on. No, I
Oh,
don't.
see, go to the next page. Oh, now it wants us to put this in there. Oh, but we need this thing. So we gotta stick this in there. Look.
Yeah. So I can stick it in there. Yeah. Just did that.
So this goes upside down. Watch this. So this goes inside here like that. And then we stick this in there.
Yes.
Look at that.
Yeah. Now you can. Now you can put the trash. Yeah. I guess we have to flip
Okay,
it
so
over.
this,
No, I don't.
let's go in there like this.
Yes, and then no.
You know what? I bet there's gonna be another one on the other side.
Oh, we have
Yep.
to do that. Yes, that was.
So we take this.
And then we need some of those back feeds. Those.
And
Found
put that
you.
in there.
And then we need.
You have no idea, do you?
Full sweet.
Yeah, you do. You're on it. Put them on there.
White.
Nope, the other way.
This. Like that.
Is that what the picture says? I think so.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it does. Yeah. First, you have to put those on right there.
Yep, you got it. Next page. We're getting close, aren't we?
Yes, and then
Alright, no.
those.
Okay, go here. So now we need 2 flat ones.
And then we
So
need that
1,
one.
2, and a round flat
And
one.
then we need that one. I found one. And then,
So,
so you put it. And then we can boil trash. And then I can do that. Or that.
so these go right here.
Yeah. And then what do you do?
And that one, that piece right there goes right here.
Happy one if you. There.
There we go. Now we need,
Oh, it's getting close.
now we need this one.
Mhm.
It goes upside down on there like this. Okay.
Almost done.
And it wants us to flip this like that, and put an orange block in there. It's kind of a weird color, isn't it?
Yeah. That, and then we need to.
Next page.
I'm gonna do that one.
Now we need to put a blue one and a red one.
But do not a blue one. And sunset.
Good job.
There. Almost done.
Alright. So a gray one. Like this.
And
And then this goes right
then
here.
the windows.
Doesn't say window. So we need 2 more flat ones.
Do I found one? I didn't know.
Wait, these go right here.
And then this is the front.
Right there. Right here. Right here.
And this goes
Yeah, you
on.
read that book.
And then this. Okay.
This goes here.
And then we have
And this
to.
goes here.
And then we have to put that right there.
Sure.
And then you have to
Well, we gotta
put
build
that.
that.
Yeah.
And this goes right here.
And then we're almost done. Let me see that. Almost done. On the page now. Wait, no.
Okay. We're speed building this, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Because you want to play with it, don't you?
Yes,
Alright. So we'll put that on there.
I found the wheel. Damn.
Bless you.
I'm flying for dead. Dead. Oh yeah, I'm flying.
Alright, what's next?
Oh, so we have to go.
Oh, we need this.
Yeah, go and then we get go.
And this goes on there like that.
Yes, I go. English, you got.
And the gray one.
No.
And then this one. And then this one. Don't skip ahead.
I know.
We'll miss.
Miss
We won't know how to build it.
No, we don't. I'm
We'll get stuck. And
driving.
then it'll turn into a zombie truck.
Yeah, I'm driving. Whippy. Sorry, I knock it down.
I bet this goes on the front.
Oh yeah, I'm funny.
Yep. Look at that. It's starting to look like a truck, isn't it?
Yeah, like a truck. Yeah. That hurted my ear
I know.
so well.
Alright.
I'm gonna put the guy right there. There. Now he's fishing.
You can help me with this one?
So, no boys there.
Next page. Look, it's coming together. So we need this
And
and this one.
and
Every
this.
one goes on top.
Microphone, yes.
And this one.
Yes.
And then a black one goes on the back.
Yes.
Where do they want us to put this?
Right there.
It goes on the side, doesn't it? Like that.
Yes.
Oh, we gotta build 2 of those.
Yes.
So we need that.
Hey.
Do this again.
Yes, we do. What are you doing?
Putting this together.
Oh. Wait, what?
Okay.
Okay.
Next page.
Yes, we do.
Does it start to look like a dump truck?
Yes, he does. No, it
Or a
does
garbage
not.
truck?
No, it does not. It's a jump truck. It's a jump truck. Wheel, 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 wheel. Let's go beep boopy, beep boopy, beep boopy. I'm fishing. Ooh, ow, ooh. No, not again.
You just want to bring that one over here?
Hey, the monster's coming. Hurry. Fido, get him. I'm a type 5 Fido.
Did you steal the steering wheel?
Ooh, ooh, ow.
Hey, you got a steering wheel over there?
Sure.
Kind of need it.
Okay.
You won't be able to steal the dump truck without it.
Can I have it?
Well, the truck needs it. Put it right here.
Yes.
All right. Oh,
Oh,
time for the windshield. Do you want to put it on?
sure.
Where's it go?
1, 2. Upside down. Oh, okay, okay. The truck, we're almost getting close to the truck. Ouch, that hurts.
Shut. No help.
Yes.
All right, we're ready for the roof. You got it over there.
Oh, sure. I'll put it
Where's
on.
it go? Right there.
Right there. There.
Sweet.
Now we need the glass like this. Thing. Almost done. But tell me
It's
this.
starting to look like a truck, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. And then go put that
So
right
put this
there.
up there.
And then I put this
I'm
up
gonna,
there.
I'm gonna put some lights on it.
Yeah, and then you put this up there.
Oh, it doesn't say that.
Oh, sorry. And then we put,
It probably goes there, but I'll see what it tells us.
yeah.
You gotta follow directions.
Yes, we do.
I'll put all these stickers on later.
Okay.
Alright, so this goes like that.
Yes, we
Like
do.
that.
Excuse me.
I wonder what that, what's that for, you think?
Ouch. That hurts.
Okay. I have no idea what that's for.
Um,
What do you think those are for?
for. Let me see that. Let me see that.
Oh, you know what? They're mirrors.
Oh yeah, the
They're
meals.
supposed to be
We need
like,
some more
they're
meals.
supposed to be like mirrors. Look. They're like mirrors.
Let me see that. Okay.
Okay,
Let's put
here, we're at that point. It's telling us where to put it.
here, right there. Says.
Oh, you know what's cool? Watch. Once we put that there,
Yeah.
that's how it dumps the trash. Look.
Oh yeah, it does. Dump the trash like that, and do garbage.
Yep.
And then we have to do those. Jeff, you have to do those.
Oh, I forgot what's.
Jeff, you have to do those. I hear you sleeping.
Do you have more pieces over there?
Yes, one. Have this money and have this money. I didn't put that one right there. Now we have to follow the rules.
Okay.
Oh,
So this one's
it looks like
red
a.
ones.
It looks like a fire. It looks
on the
like a.
outside.
Hey, it looks like a truck. Like it looks like a fire truck light.
It does?
Yeah, because it has siren. Woo! Stop. Woo! No.
I don't know what that last piece is.
And then we have to.
What's this? And then it wants this down here. This is like the rear. Look, it's the lights.
Yeah, and then we have to do that.
Oh, that's what book 1 and 2 is. So now we're done with book 1.
Yeah. No, we
So good
have to
thing we
put
start
that
with one.
on. We have to put that one on.
Okay, here we go. Now we're building the back end. Alright, so now we need, we got spare parts. Is that good?
Yes, you do. So I'm
I don't
gonna
think we're
dump
supposed
it.
to have spare parts. Nope, that doesn't go there.
Where'd it go?
I don't know. It'll tell us. Alright, now we gotta open bag 3.
Yes, you did. Oh, yes, you. I want to put the wheels on. Oh, yeah, we have to
Oh.
put something inside.
This goes here, like that.
I guess. Then we have
All
to
3 of them. Look, all 3 of those go right there.
then
Like
put
this.
them on there.
Like that.
Like that.
And then we need a red one
Yeah. Like that.
on the back.
Yeah. Yes.
Like that.
Ow, ow, that one. Ow, stop it. Ow. Oh, it's taking forever to do this.
Dump all this right here.
Everybody sit down now. Everybody sit down. I'm not joking.
Hey, is this still camera still going? Does it still say record? Is there a red dot? Okay, I'll have to cut all that out. Okay, here we go. White, red. White, red. White, red.
Got it. Now I can put the wheels on. Figure it out.
Hold on, we're not together yet. Stop
No, I'm
telling us to put the wheels
no,
on.
I'm just getting them on. Ready. Well, I mean,
Oh, you're putting the hubcaps in there?
yeah, so I'm getting them
Okay,
ready.
I suppose that's probably what we gotta do, huh?
Do. These are not the same.
Don't lose them.
I
I won't
didn't
be able to
know.
drive it. It'll have a flat tire. Okay, so put that there. And put this here. We just want to get this together, don't we? See what it looks like?
Yeah, see what it looks like.
It's orange.
Yeah.
Okay.
Orange.
That and this and this. We're doing those tires.
Now I can put the wheels on.
No,
Oh,
not yet. It didn't tell us yet. Hold on, bud.
okay. I'm just getting them ready.
Okay.
Walk it,
Let's
walk
go.
it, walk it.
That goes there.
What?
This
Wait,
goes
what?
here.
What?
That goes here.
That goes here.
This goes there.
No, this goes there.
That doesn't go there.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
And this goes there like this. This goes like this. We're trucking through this now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay. You just want to put those wheels on there, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. That's our trash lid. Look.
Yeah. Now you can. Mhm. Yeah, now
Hold on,
you
make sure
can.
this all snap together. Okay. What's
Huh?
next?
Wheels.
Didn't say that. Alright. So we're gonna put these on. And then this. That goes there. All three of these go on like that.
Yeah.
And then like this. Like that.
This is like my junk truck.
And more lights. This thing's got lights all over it, doesn't it?
Yeah, so it's right over.
Okay, so this
Like,
goes
oh.
like
Over.
that.
Whoopee, now I'm flying.
Oh. And put
Ow.
these
Ow.
on there. And then these. Next page.
First, you have to do that.
And what is that?
Those. These, Jeff. Mom, why are you not taking pictures?
Okay.
Who's it?
This is gonna be hard. I need help.
Ooh,
You help me with this?
oh, sure. I didn't know.
Um, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
this. Okay, these go in here like this. Like that. Put these in there. Those. You got any parts over there? Or did
Huh?
you lose them?
Let's get in there, Marty.
Let's do this.
Ouch.
Oh, no pull it off. Apparently these go right here. What do you got over there? We're missing some pieces. One time. So stuff like that.
I want to put these wheels on.
Okay, you got the wheels on. Alright, now we gotta figure out the rest of this.
I have guns to shoot you.
Is that how it sounds?
Yeah. It has a sound.
Sounds scary.
Whoa! Also, I can have that truck. No,
Alright,
no,
I'm
no.
confused. This thing-
Oh, my blood. Dump, dump. And then we have bullets. Fast.
Is it supposed to?
Can't get them. I think I put the trash in it.
I have no idea.
I don't have any. Sorry. I'm copping you. Sorry.
Is this supposed to go in there like that? It's just supposed to hang out in there?
Maybe. I don't know.
Wait,
Mm-hmm.
here we go. This is supposed to go in here like this. Like that. That makes sense. And then that goes on there.
Yes, we do.
Hmm,
There you go.
like that.
Yeah, like that. I'm doing that. So I'm just.
Okay, let's figure out how this goes. That we got, I think we got that right.
He's gonna keep some door. Oh no, the guy's coming over now. The guy's coming.
So then that one and that one.
Sheep, 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 sheep,
And
sheep.
this goes-
Oh, the ghost! There's no something. A ghost.
This,
Storage.
and then that. Like that.
There's no
That's
something.
pretty cool.
Ghost. That's it.
Okay, and then this goes like, watch, this goes, so it drives in, it goes like that.
Oh.
And then it goes like this, watch.
Yeah.
It's gonna, I'm gonna show this, it's gonna fall out before it goes on.
Yeah.
The fillet of fish went flying.
No.
Okay, so now we can stick all these spare parts in here. Watch, put a tire, all this, there, put that in there,
Yeah.
and that.
And then.
Nope, watch. So you leave it there and it drives up,
Yeah.
and then
And then you.
this lifts up.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
And then if you want to dump all the trash out, you open this door, it goes. Woo.
Yeah. I'll get it. Oh, open doors it. Come on, doors. Big doors. I think it's. Where was it? Not happening. Oh, there. God, I found it.
So you put one guy up here. Watch, we put that guy up there. Watch. Watch.
Yeah, we
He went in the trash.
Yes, we did.
We can put one guy in there steering though. With this hat on. Here, let's put him inside the cab. So he can drive. Somebody's gotta drive this thing, huh?
Yeah, somebody does.
Somebody's gotta drive it.
Yeah.
Somebody's gotta take out the trash.
Yeah. Maybe this guy can. No, this guy drives.
Put the lid back on.
Now we have to do this. Or we can put that in there.
That was pretty fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was pretty fun. Or we can put that in there.
All done.
Yes.
Tell everybody bye.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye. Now we have to do. Now we have to do the little one, right?
We'll do that one tomorrow.
Why?
Okay. Oh, that goes in there.
Yes, it does.
Alright, cool. Well
No.
done.
No, no.
Yeah. We'll do this one later. Okay?
I'll put the sticker on.